Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Nixol Metabolism and Weight Loss Capsule. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a supplement that you take to help you with your weight loss and your metabolism. So as you can see right here, this is what it looks like. So if you're wondering if this product is legit or not, I'm just going to say this right off the bat that this product is a scam. Since even if you take this religiously or consistently, you will never lose weight if you do not go with a proper diet and proper exercise. So as you can see here on Trustpilot, they are rated 1.3 out of 5 stars, which is bad, with 77 reviews. So as you can see, product is a scam, absolute waste of money. I was cheated. Enough said. Reviews, no weight loss. If I could rate this 0, I would. My friend that I bought this product between us has the price for 3 months was over 100 pounds. Got told I would lose certain amount of weight. That is fake. Do not buy. And the list goes on. So please guys, do not buy this product with the hopes of actually losing weight, since they are more than likely a scam and they do not have a lot of information about there on the internet. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.